In this video, you will get an overview of the main concepts of Solvace. This is your command center. From this page, you can search for knowledge, manage your actions, communities, and challenges, which is the term we use for pretty much anything you can structure with Solvace. From anywhere in the application, you can go back to this page by clicking on the Solvace logo on the top left corner. Let's go through its main components. The navigation bar at the top of the screen contains a search field that will help you find people, challenges, or communities. The advanced link next to it allows you to narrow down your search by adding more criteria. The message icon tells you when you have received a private message via Solvace's internal messaging system. The Help menu contains several options such as the Help desk, where you can create tickets, ask for support, and search through the knowledge base of Solvace. You will also find a link to the Getting Started guide, to a quick tour, or to our Video Center page. You can always email your administrator for any questions you may have. Finally, the menu holding your name gives you access to the Statistics browser, which brings you consolidated information on several metrics in real time. You can also access your personal settings or sign out. From the left menu, you can decide what information you can see on your homepage, your activity feed, your actions, or your challenges. In order to set one of these views as default, just click on the push pin next to the corresponding menu item. Your latest activity shows you everything that happens on elements that are relevant to you within Solvace, updates and challenges in which you participate, mentions of your name and comments, etc. When something happens, a label with a number of updates will be displayed next to this menu item. To make sure that you don't miss anything, you will be notified by email if you haven't seen the update in your activity feed. Below your activity feed, you can access your actions page. It gives you a transversal view on all your actions, should they come from challenges or be standalone. From this page, you can capture any action you have in mind, assign it to someone, and even convert it later into a challenge if it turns out to be too complex for a simple task. The challenge view displays all the challenges you have created, those in which you are involved, and the ones you can access through your communities. A challenge is summarized by a vignette that contains some key information such as its progress and status, its participants, and the communities to which it belongs. You may organize your challenges into personal folders. Folders work as keywords in a sense that a challenge can belong to multiple folders. To add a challenge into a specific folder, select the folder's item in the Options button that appears when hovering over the challenge's vignette. Right below, you find the communities to which you belong. By default, you are a member of one or several communities depending on your company's settings. At any time, you can join other communities or create a new one and invite other members. Whether you open a challenge by clicking on it or create a new one, Solvace opens the structuring interface, which helps you break down your challenge into smaller components, collaborate on them until the challenge is complete. As you work, Solvace automatically saves and captures all information on a challenge, the approach, associated actions, and comments. This information increases the knowledge of your company with each challenge you tackle. It can be easily retrieved later on through a direct search or via the contextual suggestions of Solvace. The implementation view allows you to get an exhaustive view on all the actions of a challenge. From this view, you can manage those actions, monitor their status and outcome, and explore the details of each action linked to a challenge. Actions can be visualized on a timeline or plotted on a matrix in order to manage the priority. The Statistics browser gives you real-time information on several topics such as the progress of actions on any dimension you select, a particular user, challenge, or community. With this screen, you can create your reporting views in no time. Thank you for watching this video. For more information on the general concept we've seen today, make sure to watch our other tutorial videos.